Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more finance tips. Want to stop working for money and start making money work for you? Today, I'll show you 5 simple strategies to grow your wealth. Stick around. Number 3 is a game changer. Watch till the end for a special bonus tip. Wealthy mindset versus poor mindset. Rich people invest, grow, and multiply their money. Poor people spend first and save what's left. Wealthy rule: buy assets that make money. Poor habit: buy liabilities that drain money. Ask yourself before spending, will this make me richer or poorer? Invest early and let money grow. Investing is the secret to wealth. Even small amounts grow over time. Example: invest $200 per month at 8% interest. $600,000 plus in 30 years. Where to invest? Stock market, S&P 500, ETFs. Real estate, rental properties, REITs. Online business, YouTube, digital products. Start now. Your future self will thank you. Build multiple income streams. Millionaires have at least 7 income streams. If you only have one paycheck, you're one step away from financial struggle. Here's how to diversify. Passive income, stocks, dividends, rental income. Side hustles, freelancing, dropshipping, YouTube. Digital products, ebooks, courses, print on demand. Which one will you start? Comment below. Smart money management, 50-30-20 rule. Making money is half the battle. Keeping it is the real challenge. Follow this simple rule. 50% needs, rent, food, bills. 30% wants, travel, fun, shopping. 20% invest and save. Grow your wealth. Top money apps: Mint, YNAB, Personal Capital. Smart money financial freedom. Leverage debt the right way. Debt is not always bad. The rich use it to build wealth. Good debt: business loans, real estate, education. Bad debt: high interest credit cards, car loans. Pro tip: use 0% interest credit cards for short-term purchases. Pay off before interest kicks in. Never finance what you can't afford. Bonus: increase your income and earn more. Biggest wealth hack: earn more money. How? Ask for a raise or switch jobs. Start a side hustle in your free time. Upskill in high-income fields like tech, marketing, or sales. Want a full guide on making extra income? Comment yes below. That's 5 ways to make money work for you. Which strategy will you start today? Comment below. Like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips every week. See you in the next video.